Hi my friends, today I would like to show you this pattern. I'm actually making a bag for my magazines. Some magazines are a little bit larger, so I'm making this. I've never made a bag like this before. Can you see it? I would like to show you how I make the pattern. Actually, it's half double crochets. It's very easy to make. I just started with, I don't know how many chains. I have to go check and count them again. And then the first row I did single crochets. Show you how to stitch into how to turn around and where to stitch into and how to make a half a double crochet. So the pattern came out like this, and then on the top I finished it with 4 rows of single crochet. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me show you. Yarn over, stitch in, pull it through, and with a double crochet you go through 2 and then through another 2. With a half double crochet you pull through all of them. Hold on just a second. Pull through all of them. Hold on. Yarn over, stitch in, go through all of them. After a while you can just pull right through really fast. And I show you how you stitch into this. Let me show you. Yarn over, stitch right into here, just like you would make a double crochet. With a double crochet you go through 2 and then another 2. With this half double crochet you go through all of them. You see? See what it looks like? I stitch right into here. Yarn over, stitch into here, pull through, and then through all of them. That's a half double crochet. Turn the camera off again. It goes real fast once you get the hang of it. I still like to keep it calm though. I usually don't knit all that fast because I like to relax. We're almost at the end. My husband is helping me film. This is the last one. These are the chains that I used for the turnaround. What you do to turn around, you make 2 chains to replace the half double crochet, turn it around, and then stitch into this one right here. There's not quite enough light, I don't know, because the light bulb burned out this morning, one of them, and I have to buy another one. So do you see? Yarn over, stitch into this one, and pull through, and then into the next. That's how you do it. So you finish this row with a half double crochet, and when you turn around you make 2 chains. That way it will be all straight here. I'm using this red Lily Sugar and Cream, the big cone. I like that cotton. Sometimes there are knots in there, they tie the yarn together, but not as often as in some other ones. So you can also make like a pillow cover if you would like, because cotton will be good for that rather than acrylic. It's more absorbent. So thank you for watching another video from me. I hope you enjoy the pattern. Till next time. Till soon, I hope. You see, I probably made it a little bit too big, but this magazine's bigger. And then of course I have a smaller one. You know what I mean?